at 40 properties, when you double that portfolio, you start realizing, okay, there's some operations issues that needs to be fixed. Maybe so there were some things that we got away with at 20 properties when it comes to maintenance or cleaning coordination or the actual onboarding process, host relations. Um, and so at 40, we started having more conversations about how we can, improve our operations. But we kept on growing, and we got to 60, and that was awesome. We kept on going with the sales. We got to 60. We really liked where our revenue was going, but then you really start to realize, hey, we have to, fix some of the current problems that we have before the foundation cracks, basically. So then we started about 4 months ago. We started slowing down the growth and improving our operations, and that is kind of where like our next milestone that we reached in my mind was to focus on improving onboarding process, improving the maintenance coordination, cleaning coordination, as well as something that we call host reports, which is keeping the hosts in the loop. And so a big physical product that we're able to finish up recently was something called the host report, which we send out quarterly. It gives hosts a performance overview. It tells them maintenance that has occurred at the property, and then as well as maintenance that we recommend. And man, it's just like it's something that was needed for a while, and it's nice to finally start rolling it out.